Hello class, I am pleased to use this trailer to provide you with a quick introduction of the upcoming Advanced Psychosocial Workshop. Over the past 4 months, we made significant changes to this workshop based on feedback and input from clinicians, people with lived experience, previous students, and educational experts. This workshop is focused on the best practice for enabling productivity for people with mental illness. Participation in occupation is critical for recovery, and being able to engage in productive occupation has proven to be an effective way to foster recovery. On the first day of the workshop, you will be introduced to the best practice in psychosocial rehab, in particular evidence-based practice that enable recovery for people with mental illness. In addition, you will also be introduced to the key concept of trauma-informed practice, also known as TIP. TIP is a widely adopted mental health practice among many health authorities. You will also find that TIP is essential not only for mental health practice, but also for anyone who have had trauma experience one way or the other. For that afternoon, I invited the clinicians and the family members from the Family Support and Involvement Program of VCH to share their expertise with you on how best to work with family, especially when you have to deal with complex confidentiality and consent issues. Now please come prepared by doing the required readings and thinking about challenging situations you might have to face so that you can engage in the dialogue with the clinicians and the family members. Now on that afternoon, I need a volunteer to help me to thank the speakers. So if you are willing to be the volunteer, please approach me and I'll arrange you to thank the speakers accordingly. For days 2 and 3, I earmarked that as your practice skill lab days with a bit of teaching on day 3. I will explain more about the skill lab in the assignment trailer, so make sure you watch that trailer as well. To bring you with the latest evidence and programs on enabling productivity, I'd invited 2 gurus from the field to speak to us on their views of enabling productivity. On the afternoon of September 27th, we will have Drs. Michael Cruz and Sky Barbic to speak about their cutting-edge work on supported employment. Now, since we haven't finalized the exact time for their talk, so please stay tuned and make sure you can join us on that day. To know more about the workshop, please check out the module outline that is posted on RSOT 545 Connect website under Course Content folder of the Advanced Psychosocial Workshop.